And I remember one of the records was Chesney Hawkes, The One and Only, and the other was Kenny Thomas, Outstanding. And I'm still friends with Kenny and Chesney. And, I really felt an affinity with Chesney because he was my age. And and he liked me. So I started taking him to all the HMV installs, all the Radio 1 interviews, Radio 2, whatever we did, Greater London Radio as it was, GLR at the time, Capital Radio, with Chris Tarrant. And I started taking him around and started to then think, okay, I'm not out of my depth. I've been given this opportunity and it's actually quite natural. It's just taking an artist and protecting them and making sure that they're not put in a position that they're uncomfortable or that shines a mediocre light on their stardom. And I can do that. I mean, that was easily done. And so I sauntered along doing that for a while. And I remember very clearly, I was up. We used to listen to the charts on Sunday night. I mean, we all did.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I got really high hopes that Chesney was going to go all the way to the top of the charts with The One and Only. And we'd had a film premiere the week or 2 weeks before for a movie with Roger Daltrey called Buddy's Song that it came from, big Leicester Square premiere. And I was really confident it was going to work. And on the radio it came out and it was, and number 2 was whatever it was, and number 1 is Chesney Hawkes, The One and Only. And I just remember I was at a family member's house. I remember jumping up and down, and it was just that feeling of your first number 1.
Yeah.
It was, I mean, I just remember it now as being the happiest moment of my life. It was just, that's it. It's winning a gold medal. It's why Lewis Hamilton does every championship he does still. Why do the Stones still go on tour at age 170?
That moment,
It's that feeling. It's that feeling that is the drug that keeps you going to the next one, and it's that feeling of, this is what I'm meant to do. Everything kind of, and this is where the life story and the life summary kicks in. It is the pluses and the minuses, the ups and downs. I remember getting the train back that night, back to London, going in the office and being made redundant on the Monday morning.